Let's break down the roles of L1, L2, and L3 IT support in an engaging and clear way. I'll provide a detailed and comprehensive explanation, with examples, to cover the topic thoroughly. Introduction to IT support levels. In IT support, the roles of L1, Level 1, L2, Level 2, and L3, Level 3, are defined by the complexity and expertise required to resolve issues. These roles are part of a structured support hierarchy designed to efficiently handle user problems, system maintenance, and technical escalations. L1 support is first line of defense that handles basic and straightforward issues. L2 support is for specialized support. They tackles moderately complex issues and requires domain expertise. L3 support, experts and developers, they handles the most complex issues and works on system development or critical bugs. L1, Level 1, support refers to the first line of support in IT help desk or customer service environments. L1 support typically handles basic issues and is responsible for providing the initial point of contact for users. One of the key tools L1 support utilizes is a knowledge base, KB. A knowledge base is a centralized repository that contains information, solutions, and troubleshooting guides to assist support agents and customers. L1 support agents are often responsible for resolving simple, common issues without needing to escalate them to higher levels of support. The knowledge base helps them with this by providing troubleshooting steps for common issues, step-by-step guides for resolving frequent problems, configuration instructions for basic system setups. L1 support job description are. L1 support is the frontline team that interacts directly with users or customers. Their main job is to respond to incoming queries via phone, email, chat, or tickets, perform initial troubleshooting, provide simple fixes or guidance, escalate and resolve issues to L2. Key responsibilities for L1 are incident logging, creating and maintaining records of user queries in the IT Service Management (ITSM) system. Password resets, helping users reset their account passwords or unlock accounts. Basic troubleshooting, diagnosing issues like printer not working, slow internet, or software installation errors. Knowledge base utilization, referring to predefined scripts or knowledge base articles to solve recurring problems. If issue cannot resolved by L1, then they can escalate issue to L2. Skills required for L1 support. Basic technical knowledge, like operating systems, hardware, basic networking. Good communication and interpersonal skills. Patience and ability to handle repetitive tasks. Let's take an example scenario. A user calls L1 saying, "I can't log into my email." Resolution provided by L1 will be: verify the user's identity, check for typos in the username or password, reset the password if necessary. If resetting fails due to backend issues, escalate the ticket to L2. Level 2 support is a technical support level that deals with more complex issues than basic troubleshooting. L2 support technicians have a deeper understanding of systems and applications than L1 support technicians. L2 support technicians provide in-depth solutions to technical issues that require specialized knowledge. They may also coordinate with other teams or departments to resolve an issue. Job description. L2 support steps in when issues are more complex and require specialized skills or deeper troubleshooting. They work on analyzing the problem in detail, performing advanced troubleshooting, collaborating with L3 if needed. Key responsibilities for L2 support are advanced diagnostics, investigate system errors, application crashes, or network connectivity issues, configuration changes, apply advanced configurations on devices, servers, or software based on the problem. Hardware support, troubleshoot faulty hardware like servers, routers, or workstations. Knowledge sharing, update or create knowledge base articles based on solutions implemented. Collaborating with vendors, contact external vendors, like Microsoft, Cisco or any other, for specialized support if required. Skills required for L2. Strong technical knowledge in specific domains, like Windows administration, network troubleshooting. Ability to analyze logs and system diagnostics. Problem solving and multitasking skills. Example scenario. A user reports that, I'm connected to Wi-Fi, but I can't access the internet. Resolution by L2 will be, check if the issue is specific to the user or a wider network problem. Analyze the network logs to identify potential blocks or outages. Reset the user's network configuration or guide them to reconnect. If the issue involves core network equipment, like a router failure, escalate to L3 or the network engineering team. Level 3 support is the highest tier of technical support and is reserved for the most difficult issues. L3 support is provided by experts who are usually the most skilled product or service experts in an organization. They may include the creators, chief architects, or engineers who created the product or service. L3 support consists of highly skilled experts or developers. They handle problems that require in-depth technical knowledge, root cause analysis, or custom development. Their main focus is on resolving critical issues, developing patches or updates, improving system stability and performance. Key responsibilities of L3 support team are root cause analysis, RCA, perform detailed investigations to identify underlying issues causing system failures. System customization, modify or improve software, hardware configurations to resolve unique challenges. Bug fixes and patches, develop solutions for software defects or vulnerabilities. Strategic improvements, provide recommendations to prevent future incidents. Collaboration, work with developers, architects, or vendors for long-term solutions. Skills required, deep expertise in a specific field, like cybersecurity, database administration. Proficiency in scripting or programming, like Python, PowerShell. Analytical thinking and creativity in solving unique problems. In an example scenario, an organization's ERP system crashes frequently during peak hours. Resolution by L3 will be like, analyze application logs to pinpoint resource bottlenecks. Identify and fix code level inefficiencies in the ERP software. Implement load balancing or server scaling strategies to enhance performance. Test and deploy the fix to ensure stability. Comparison of L1, L2, and L3 roles. Let's divide issues in three categories: low, moderate, high. L1 support use basic tools like ticketing systems and required basic IT knowledge. In real life example, let's suppose help desk for a large company. Let's take a scenario. A large retail chain experiences issues with their point of sale (POS) systems. A store clerk calls reporting that the POS terminal isn't scanning items. L1 support actions will be: L1 verifies the issue, checks the device drivers, and tries basic troubleshooting like restarting the terminal. If the issue persists, they escalate it to L2. L2 support use tools like advanced diagnostic tools, like Wireshark, SCCM. L2 receives the ticket and checks the store's network connection or backend system logs. They identify that the POS terminal is not communicating with the database. They reset the network adapter and reconfigure the terminal settings. If the problem is due to a server-side bug, they escalate to L3. L3 support use development tools like IDEs, monitoring frameworks. L3 support have expert-level knowledge and works on network troubleshooting, code fixes, performance tuning. L3 investigates the root cause and finds that a database query used by the POS software is inefficient under high loads. They rewrite the query, test it, and deploy the fix to all stores. They document the solution to ensure future support teams can recognize and resolve similar issues. Conclusion: L1, L2, and L3 support roles are essential for ensuring IT systems run smoothly. While L1 handles basic issues and user communication, L2 dives deeper into technical troubleshooting, and L3 focuses on resolving critical, high-level problems. Together, these teams ensure user satisfaction and system reliability in any organization.